Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070157, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script would do. It will stop services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat root 2 folders. It will delete re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart Windows as the service associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.